Hey guys, how are you?
I know you're somewhere, somewhere. I'm trapped in my mind.
Alright, we're gonna do a next reaction video. If you wonder why we have the same beats from the last video we post, so just because we do both videos one time, one day. Yeah, so we have to do a reaction video now to Raz Da 59. I hope say pronounce the dog name right. So we have a miss that.
I'm riding with the K solo, I'm spellbound. Used to ride with Delilah.
I start that. Try it is so. As in just to say this. We like how him never waste no time for just jump on the beat and start spit. No time in no waste. Just jump, start spit. You can go back into it.
The cold and the Fairmount. I'm who incite the riot, you the guide to stare down. I worked at Taco Bell, now I just fire the shell rounds. Now somewhere in the air lies the truth like a thunderstorm. I terrorize the youth as if I'm gun.
Like saying work at Taco Bell and just fire the shell rounds. Word play again. You see me? Word play. Man.
Ride with Delilah in the cold and the Fairmount. I'm who incite the riot, you the guide to stare down. I worked at Taco Bell, now I just fire the shell rounds. Now somewhere in the air lies the truth like a thunderstorm. I terrorize the youth as if I'm gunning for them. I could've jogged here, I marathon the booth and let it run its course. The R's here, I'm paralyzing you like the underscore. Your riders couldn't impress my chauffeurs. Your favorite artist couldn't bench press my notebook. I transcend.
So sick. So sick. Man say your favorite rappers couldn't bench press my notebook. Say book when him write him lyrics in it. Him man say your favorite artist can't bench press it, it's too heavy. Man, bars.
Like Wu-Tang to all eras, cash rules. Now I'm just dead nights, the pallbearer of bad news. Shots to all my niggas out there in the lots of crime.
Dead Knights, pallbearers, bad news. Alright, play again. Bars. Dead Knights, pallbearers. Dead pallbearers, bars.
Remember, they can lock your body but can't lock your mind. You lack triumph when you stop the grind. Your rappers Black China, went and got your bread and went and got behind. Gun confess, I'll punch you.
Man, say your rappers Black China when and you go get the bread and then fall behind. You see me? You know, Black China. If I remember correctly, I did Tiger. I think a Tiger Baby Mother. If I remember correctly. See me? If I'm wrong, comment in the comment section. You see me? But yeah, Black China went and get the fame and then just drop behind like you never remember nothing about Black China again. She not act like one time. You see me? That the dog I say the rappers then be know. You see me? Then go get the bread, just drop behind and remember about them.
Come here looking like Conor McGregor, lead this bitch looking like Uncle Fester. Question, are we bitter rivals? Cause we can shoot the K's or the fade to both our arms, get vitiligo. I stay up.
Hot. Shoot the K's till both of your arms get revitiligo. See me? You know real vitiligo, one skin condition of that. Them say yo Michael Jackson have. You see me? Make your complexion get white, clear-ish. You see me? Shoot the K's till both your arms get revitiligo. Man. Bars. Wordplay. So sick. Come back party again.
My prime, y'all niggas just sipping on scotch. I stay with my nine, y'all niggas just live with your pops. I sit in the original lyrical pivotal spot. Even though I change with the time like digital clocks. Either going straight for the kill, gun slinging, or I'm going straight up Jada and Will. I come swinging, I write for Big and Tupac.
Alright. There's a reason why we start that part. They would have said Jada and Will, you see me? Because the first reaction we do for today was Will Smith and Jordan's Lucas. You see me? So Finn say, yo, Jaden Will, me have to tap it this so. Play again.
Rolling like the prices on the coupe drop. I'm dolo like the snipers on the rooftop. I'm sicker though I'm feeling like a flu shot. I shit on every artist on the charts and leave a diaper on the jukebox. My mind's like the Japan bullet.
Man, alright. Dog say him shit on every artist and leave one diaper on the jukebox. See me, if you don't know what the jukebox is, see me, it's like a radio. You see me? But back in the days, like you press a button on a jukebox and a record drop on that and start playing music. The music where you press the button on. Music button normally have the name of the song where you want and numbers and one bar or something. Press a button on that, play music where you want. You see me? So all who don't remember jukebox, can I look it up? Well, who don't know? Not say remember, but who don't know what is a jukebox? Just look it up. You see me? You will see what we are talking about. Wordplay again. Diaper. Dog saying shit on the artist them, leave a diaper on the jukebox. You see me? So when him saying shit on the artist them and leave a diaper, it means him I left the shit on the records then. Where the rest of the artists them do. You see me? The rest of the artists them do, be a crap. You see me? That's basically I say. Bars again, wordplay.
Train, floats and cycles. Rhyme full of pain, spoken right out the smoking rifle. They wanna see me tweeting, yo man, who need a feature? I'd rather squeeze into the coke jam like Lisa. I'm 5'9", giving niggas them 6'9" fears. We can battle like them grind time kids. How about this? How about I take your wifey on tour with me and never give her back? Same way my nigga Big Sean did. I go hard to 2088. My father was crazy like Haley Jade. Still I was born a saint like Baby Yates. I pray hard and only God I fear. You just playing God, looking like James Harden without his beard. These niggas hoes, man, it's sickening. They only goals is get some goals and bitches and get on the gram wearing a Rock Nation hat. But anybody knows the closest they ever came to seeing hope is But anybody knows the closest they ever came to seeing hope is being witnesses. So run along with your little microwave hits. All you niggas is my light work like the
microwave hits. Man. Man.
Day shift.
Yes, it's your fault.
Told niggas wear a Rock Nation hat, think they J-Man. Fuck out of here.
Beat where Dagger spit from him, I said this beat where Dagger spit from his old school 90s beat. Wicked. Wicked.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Right now I'm finally respected. Until the day that I'm finally neglected and I'm falling, I'm calling all kind of pyrotechnical fires in the sky over heaven. During my final eclectic spiral to die. Right on the steps as if I don't accept it. If it ain't green, I don't see it. I'm colorblind with my eye on the exit, with my other eye on the double line.
Man, the dog say if him not see it, it's not green. I'm colorblind. So I'm gonna tell us straight to you if he not see the money. Him not say nothing. I'm colorblind. If you see the money. Bars again, man.
The S's and any other kind of successes of the grind. Dominoes with destiny out forever.
Then him go on by say, yo, something about S's, we kind of miss out that part there. Something about S's. But I'm going to play it back. I'll play it back. You know what S's mean? Money on top of that. It's a kind of like the money sign syllable, you see me? So, yeah.
During my final eclectic spiral to die. Right on the steps as if I don't accept it. If it ain't green, I don't see it. I'm colorblind with my eye on the exit, with my other eye on the double line on the S's. And any
See that? With him next year, on the money sign. You see me? Not money sign. I think him say money symbol or something like that. Hold on, I want to play it back. I don't want to miss that part there, no. No, fuck up.
pyrotechnical fires in the sky over heaven. During my final eclectic spiral to die. Right on the steps as if I don't accept it. If it ain't green, I don't see it. I'm colorblind with my eye on the exit, with my other eye on the double line on the S's.
With him next year on the double line, on the S. Yeah, see me I say, money sign again, and him tell us say, yo, if him no see it, if it not green, him no see it, him colorblind, mad, and then he make sure say him give the money sign with the two line on the S, you see me? Both top and down on the base. You see me I say? When I spit bars, man, word play for days, man. For days. Go again.
and any other kind of successes of the grind. Dominoes with destiny, I'll forever be fucking fly. I'm fired with flows, top 5, and you know I'm happy at platinum, but I was happier back when 500,000 was sold. My proudest accomplishment now is when I got quiet to get sober, and silence is gold. I let my whole story fly at no cost to the people while I'm talking to Joe. No button, I'm talking Joe Walsh from the Eagles. No stunting, we just wrote something. My demise was supposed to be weeks ago. Keep your smoke coming. I'm over here with 500 styles like a savant. You wanna see me wash 500 pounds like I'm a vant. Hair dyed and all fried up like young Jocka Jaheim. Only way I'm going out is gunshots and sirens. We make paper, you party, we play Vegas. Nothing but sirens surrounded me when we play rages.
Stop it. Only way I'm going out is with gunshot and sirens. Man.
I'm fucking the bitch of my dreams and we they favorite. My BMW I green like D. Ray Davis. I be giving bitches orders like they motherfucking grandpa. Trapping this for rappers, I be grinding like the dancer.
Oh, when I'm saying BMW I green, it meaning BMW headlights. You see me? Not in mean. When I'm saying in BMW I green, him still a come off for the money thing same way. Yeah. Man.
I don't know astrology, I just know I'm a Cancer male. Eating south of France, he who doubts the man can't prevail. Back when Guru used to manifest a rhyme, I was known for nothing less than just a candidate for crime. In and out of Ibiza, spending power of Visa, standing the test of time like the Leaning Tower of Pisa. In my D zone, so the bitches gon' sweat it. Got the same piece of chrome, sweet Sloan Bishop on credit. Got the Glock Craig used to help out Smokey and Day with. The 38 Mad Dog used to pop JJ with. This your fault. Ooh, brand new legend, nigga.
Man, super.
DJ, put me on the set. We here, baby. Bars.
Yes, the 5'9", man. Wicked, man. Wicked, man.
Everybody coming with their hit record, big record. This gon' play in the clubs, radio, chick record. Either that or they come with a diss record. I come from where you don't disrespect none of your successors. I don't fuck hoes that I can't leave in less than 6 seconds. Who the best is a horrible.
Yo, Jadua, Jaja. So sick. So sick. I have to play it back. Jano can not play this back.
Everybody coming with their hit record, big record. This gon' play in the clubs, radio, chick record. Either that or they come with a diss record. I come from where you don't disrespect none of your successors. I don't fuck hoes that I can't leave in less than 6 seconds. Who the best is a horrible rhetorical.
Every time I get dust to laugh. So sick.
Sick question. You guessed it, I'm throwing bullets at you, but you ain't about to go for long. I put a fofo and let it bang like Post Malone. Might as well get ready for your tune. You play me, tell your wife she gon' be solo soon like Sway Lee. Quarter pills, recouping the deal, worth a $250,000. All I'm trying to do is stay black and get out like Jordan Peele. Everybody do it for the accolades, I'm tired of them. I ain't cared about Grammys since Jay boycotted them. Spit my first advance at Manny's, following Pharrell and them. Used to ask bitches for ass, now I'm just telling them. If I get any more fly, I'ma need my own spacesuit. Got these hoes getting naked like they high on K2. All I need is 5 minutes, every style get augmented. Well endowed in God's image, never smile, Kawhi Leonard. These pellets are pedophiles, coming out this arm, bro, they touchy. Trust me, Dudley, Arnold. My show started 12, then it sold out by 11. Rappers blow up, then they debut their whole album on Ellen. I was chilling. Bring. You a legend, nigga.
Let me stop before I start him second verse. I kinda like the last verse there, you see me? When them say, yo, rappers broke, but them still debut them whole, the full album on Ellen show, you see me? I say, how you feel broke and still do that? You see me? Give me props for that again.
Ain't nobody fresher than them. They dealt with more pressure than them. Never dealt with niggas whose image is skinny, stretchy than them. Just remember, everyone who with me winners. Everyone who with you dinner. Bitches switching quick as Bruce and Chrissy Jenner. Chrome rims on the whip just to shine on niggas. Black tires, the lip white. Tyrone Biggums. We giving out turkeys on Thanksgiving like Nino with us. We even passing out TVs like Wendy Williams. All I know is that I'm the wild child. Y'all don't want no smoke with these bars. All y'all niggas know is y'all SoundCloud. Let's hypothetically say I'm pissed. I would definitely AR grip. I would definitely spray off quick. Y'all expecting me to hesitate to shoot this bitch? Then y'all are definitely in the playoffs with J.R. Smith. I definitely put my hand in your pockets, but not the way you want. I put your whole family in boxes like y'all the Brady Bunch. I go bananas, too miraculous to react to mortal mammals. Cooking crack in my new velour pajamas. Getting back to my roots, rap where I store them hammers. Lord of grammar, my IQ's my actual quarter panel. My IP address is my dressing drawer. I ain't stressing less is war. I ain't section less is more. I ain't bet you you'll die less of my iron's legend for regret and gore. Ghost whiter than the driven snow and it's headed north. Looking like it's 4 to 7 dwarfs, flows and metaphors. Bury skulls all over the globe like a stegosaurus. Why these niggas getting their hair dyed and their nails polished? I'm like Biggie and Pac trapped inside of Big L's body. I don't relate to common folk. They focus on the comments, so I'ma go roll a Testarossa down the coast of Monaco. Lo and behold, you're honorable. Niggas is sheep, niggas is sleep. By the woke as a dinosaur. My connect could give you a whole kilo of coke, so he can go. Geronimo, he should receive a trophy for being the holy. Jesus of flows, he the goat. Bad. That should be not bad. I'm from the streets where the odds are not even. Robbery theming, ballers debauchery scheming. A lie in Jesus is hard to believe. I'm a product of Eve in the Garden of Eden, thinking how targeted we've been. Rihanna Starker, I'm parked in the DMs, shark in the deep end. Put these paws on you, I'll soften your defense. Hit your pause button, harsh your critiquing. Talk is cheap. The more I hear you talking, it cheapens. And all I see is prey. Round the streets today, I'm about to freak away from having Issa Rae, eating out Lisa Ray. Any artist out that you see is great, tell him I said bring his ass, better bring his A, let his single play. We don't care what you sing. Hit you in your face with the butt of the gun. You leaking, get your street credit a few strings. Pop go to Weasel nigga, fever nigga. I'm Nicholas, you got pop culture fever nigga. All I know is big and pop quotes. Pop toast and squeezing triggers, season tickets. Now I pull the cops over, get them niggas season tickets. Wife used to shoot me down vicious, now she the missus. She turned me to a family guy quicker than Peter Griffin. I told myself when I was 14 that she the one. Now a nigga probably got more seeds than Peter Guns. Now a nigga grow out my groceries in 2-seaters. Used to roll the old school 4 speakers and 2 tweeters. Riding with nothing but raw quarter packs and duffels.
Even though we reach far past apart, but we still want to big him up just for the fact say yo. He big up Family Guy just now. But
Ryan Wright's heaters. Y'all niggas is cut like one of them get rich or die trying wife beaters. Me, I'm just all shoulder straps and muscle. If you're a hater, let's do it. I whoop you now, then I whoop on your boy later. The whippings will go around like a tornado. I get rid of more yayo. I don't do rodeo or AOs. I do the Floyd Mayo. So many men shopping in women's section, it ain't no ladies left. You niggas crazy? Yes. You playing crazy like the Chappelle sketch. Wayne Brady ep. I'm what you get when Freeway Rick and Cocaine 80s met. I'm bringing bars back to the street like Jay and Nas beef. Broadcasting ether in HD at Godspeed. It's his fault. Prime available 316.
yeah. Alright, so that freestyle is done. You see me? Man sick, man. Man sick, man. Man super sick, yo. Jano. Dog floor, dog bars them. Chop. Wicked, man. Wicked. Again, man, for like, subscribe, you see me? Leave a comment in the comment section, you see me?